Hi, I'm Michael Burns with Active Training Consultants, and I want to start by asking you something important. If OSHA were to walk into your facility today, would your company pass the inspection? That's not meant to scare you. It's meant to make you think. Because most companies don't struggle with safety due to a lack of effort. They struggle because they don't have the right systems, training, or the support in place. And here's the reality. One injury at work can easily cost more than an entire year of safety training. Medical expenses, lost productivity, insurance increases, potential fines, and most importantly, the impact on your employees. Take Dave here, for example. He just learned the importance of fall protection the hard way. Safety just isn't about compliance. It's about making sure everyone goes home at the end of the day the same way they showed up. That's where we come in. At Active Training Consultants, we help manufacturers, construction companies, and organizations across a wide range of industries build stronger, safer workplaces. We provide OSHA training, hands-on safety education, consulting services, program development, and most importantly, practical solutions that actually work in the real world. We work with companies of all sizes, all across the United States, from small local businesses to large operations, and everything in between. Our goal is simple: help you reduce risk, stay compliant, and build a culture where safety isn't just a requirement, it's part of who you are. If you're not sure where your company stands, let's have a conversation. Give us a call, send us an email, or fill out the contact form right here on our website. We'd be honored to partner with you and help you protect what matters most: your employees.